Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm here with you with another account analysis. Today I'm going to talk to Alhassan, one of our good clients, about his trading style after reviewing his trade segment. So stay tuned. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
So, dear Hassan, first of all, please introduce yourself to our audience and tell us for how long you've been trading in the Forex market.
All right. First of all, my name is Alhassan Muhammad, and I have 28 years of age, and I've been into trading since 2018 to 19. But the first 4 years is like basics to me because that time I was in college, so I can't focus on my studies and also focus on my trading. So I'm just learning until 2021. So at that time in 2021, uh, before then, during 2018 to 19, I had a mentor who's an Indian. He taught me how to trade stocks. He taught me a lot about fundamental of stocks market and so on. So I use his techniques, his fundamental techniques and technical analysis. So I use it to analyze the forex market.
Right.
And I've made some money, but I lose the money. I can remember there is a time that I made from $100 up to $3,000 within 4 weeks. So, and I lose the money because I start thinking like if I can grow $100 to 3,000, I can grow that 3,000 to 100,000. So that is how I lose the money.
I understand
And
that.
I stopped trading. I like sometimes the psychological part of human being. So I just stopped trading at that time. Then I focused on profile. I
Uh-huh.
bought a profile. I'm not getting paid at that time. So then now I
Uh, Alhassan, you told me that you bought a challenge. Yeah,
yes.
yeah, to trade with a prop firm, right? Tell me about the experiences you had with the prop firm. You don't have to mention the prop firm's name here, but you can talk about the experiences you had with the prop firm because most of the clients are thinking about buying challenges from prop firms. They think, okay, they don't have to put a lot of money at risk, but they can trade on big accounts, but they are not familiar with the reality behind these prop firms. Please tell me about your experiences.
Yeah. First of all, my experience is when it comes to consistency. Profile, you will learn a lot about it when it comes to discipline to manage your risk because when you risk the high amount, you can you can lose your account.
Hmm.
So I try to take care of that. And there is no greed in profile. You will take care of that. So, but when it comes to you can make a lot of money there, but they will not pay you because
Exactly.
trading with a program is like you have the money, but you don't have the right with your own money. You understand?
Exactly.
Got a $100,000 account,
Hmm.
and I've made 10. Then when you go to them, there is a hidden rules. They hide the rule. They hide rules.
Yeah.
When you go to them, when you request for a payout, they will not pay you. They will start creating some rules. They say
Yeah.
you violate this, you go against this rule. So I
Exactly.
bought four programs, and they all not paid me. You understand?
Yeah.
But when you are making the money, they will not tell you that this strategy is against our rules.
Yeah.
They will leave you to make the money for them. You understand?
Exactly.
Until you pay out.
Exactly.
So I have learned a lot from them. So now I focus. I rather to have my own account, even if it is a small one. I rather to grow it and make my own money so that I can invest in well and make a withdrawal by myself.
Yes, that's the best decision. Yeah. As you said, the prop firms just convince you to deposit your money to buy the challenges, and then once it comes to withdrawing your own profit, you're trading against the pro firm because all the accounts are on demo accounts. So when you win, they lose and they have to pay and they don't like it. That's why. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so they are
yeah.
using the money that you purchased the account.
Yeah.
Okay, they're earning from that money.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the secret behind the pro firms. I have studied your trading style, Alhassan, and the interview today is regarding your trading style. I have studied your trading style, and there are some positive points and negative points regarding your trading style. And I'm going to talk about the positive things first, and then we can get to the negative ones. First of all, you have a great risk management. Although your account is small, you are not taking a lot of risks on your account, and that means you understand money management and risk management. And also, you do not oversize when you face a lot of losses, consecutive losses in a day. That's good. That's a very positive thing. But the negative thing about your trading style is, I believe, you do not have a clear strategy, and if you do, you do not stick to it. Is that right?
Yeah, so you mean like a trading plan? Oh, yes. My account is very small.
Yeah.
So to me, to rise the account, to grow the account, I have to risk a lot. So
Yeah.
I the greediness in me.
Yeah.
It's telling me that now you have to grow the account
Mhm.
up to that your user trade. Like it's like what is that we call it? Like uh, I'm chasing the profit.
I understand that.
When I have a small account, recently I can even go for now. Let me show you something. I have a account with another broker which I deposited almost $50, and
Okay.
I grow it. Is it almost 200 or something, and I blow the account. Even the account that STP gave me, the credit account, that $20 credit, I grow it. I can see $80 plotting. I can
Mhm.
see $80. The last trade that blow the account, I can see $80. The account was reading $80, but
Mhm.
I didn't close the trade. You understand? I didn't close the
I
trade.
understand that. And the problem with your trading style is, I believe you do not chase the trend. You trade in both sides. I mean, you buy your objectivity is to buy. For example, you believe gold is going up, and once you want to buy gold, and if you take the first loss, your second position will be a sell. I don't know why. Maybe your stop limit order or a stop loss order was not set in the right place, okay? But once you take a loss, you put on the other factors of your strategy under questions, and you doubt your trading style. You understand what I mean? And that comes from uh, the thought, or maybe a belief, that maybe my trading style is not working. That is maybe the problem you have with your trading style.
He said maybe the strategy is not working properly.
No, I'm not saying that your strategy is not working. I'm saying you do not stick to your strategy. Your strategy has some factors, right? For example, your strategy has got some checkpoints, A, B, C, D, okay? But you do not let the setup, let the strategy work. Okay, for example, you want to buy, you do not wait for the pressure. Okay, you just buy, and then when it is the right time to buy, because of taking too many losses, you do not dare to buy, and that is the position that you had to take. Okay, so you should wait for the pressure if you want to buy, if you want to take a reverse position. So
Like to wait for the
exactly, exactly. And I can see this trading style in your strategy. For example, you could take a couple of positions in a day and become profitable, but because of small losses, your account was bleeding. And then, yeah, and you were literally shrinking the account. And then once you wanted to take a position, you were too tired, too frustrated, I don't know, maybe too disappointed, or too scared to take the right position. Yeah, that might be one of the problems you're dealing with. And if you just focus on this problem to solve this problem, you're going to be profitable little by little. Yeah, and another thing you have to consider is your risk to reward ratio. It is below 1 to 1, meaning if you put $10 at risk, you go for $3 profit, $4 profit, $5 profit. Yeah, I'm just saying, if you want to make less than you put at risk, your strategy must work for 90%, 80% to 90%. I mean, you have to have 90% winners, meaning out of 100 trades, 90 trades must be winners. And that's too hard for you to repeat this kind of trading every single day. Not just for you, for everyone. And it is so mind consuming. You have to be so thoughtful, so careful. You have to be so obsessive, and it makes you tired after some time. You'll go burnt out. You understand what I mean?
yeah, I understand, sir.
Yeah. So it's better to go for 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So, meaning if you put $10 at risk, you go for $20 profit, and you let your account grow. Yeah, you let your account grow. You should let your winners grow. So you will let your account grow consecutively. Do you understand what I mean? Yeah. So what do you think about it?
Yeah, I will. By God will, I'll focus on it. I had a problem with that, and I got all the focus on it. I'll write it down and see how I'm gonna fix it. You know, sometimes I do overtrade. You can check my trade
Yeah,
and see that.
yeah. I was about to mention
So,
it. Yeah.
yeah, the first day I've made almost $10 profit. I take the account of almost $40.
Hmm.
So in that 40, so now I have to take it to 100. From the chasing of that 100, I
Yeah.
trade every day, etc. So I think that's one of the main issues I have now.
Right. You know where overtrading comes from? Overtrading comes from having a small account, okay, but expecting large profits. To me, if you want to look at this business as a real business, some people look at trading as something like a hobby, something like, I'm going to do it and I'm gonna make money. If I don't make money, okay, that's okay. No, it's not gonna work like that. If you want to become successful in this career, in this job, let's say, you have to look at it like a business. if you want to make a lot of money in a business, so the money you put into the business is huge also. Yeah, you cannot make a lot of money out of a little amount of money that you put at risk. So that risk might be $10, $100, or $1,000, depending on the amount of money you want to gain after your trades. But if you take a couple of good trades every day and you focus on growing your account gradually, you start attracting other people to learn from you. So you can teach people how to trade and you can make money in this way. So a trader doesn't have to trade to make money. A trader can teach how to trade and make money. And also in our broker, once you become a profitable trader, you can participate in our hiring traders program. In this program, we offer you bigger accounts than the money you deposit. The only thing you have to do is just proving your trading strategy and trading style to us. And after that period of time, you will be given an account to trade on. And it's not going to be a demo account. You're trading on a real account with real money. See, you have to think about trading like a business. And when you enter business, you try to strengthen your resume, your CV. So it's gonna be your work experience. So when you show your work experience to a company or to the people, they just believe, okay, you are a serious person in your career. But trading in a random way doesn't give you that credit. Do you understand what I mean? Yeah. In the first 2 to 3 years, you mustn't thinking of making money in this business. You should be thinking of creating a strategy that works, that can help you make money, and you should be focusing on not losing money. Okay, so you have to change your perspectives first of all, and then step by step you become profitable after some time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
You're so welcome. You're so welcome. Okay, if you have any questions or if you have anything to add to what I have said to what you have said, please.
Yeah, I understand that you mean I don't have to chase the profit. I have to chase the growth. I have to move step by step. It doesn't happen overnight like that. I
Exactly.
have to move slowly.
Exactly. Okay, I will send you the full report of your trading style and the comments I have had on your account and your trades, so that you can study all these tips and report. Yeah, and so if you have a problem, if you have a question, you can get back to me. You can ask your questions, and I'll be there for you to answer your questions.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate it, sir. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Mm.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Have a nice day, sir. Thank you.
You too. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned the points that might help you in the future. Please subscribe and in the comments tell us what topics you want us to talk about in the videos. And note that the people who send us their trade segment will have the chance to receive trading funds from STP Trading. Thank you. Goodbye.